For my portrait photo sessions, it was taken with a TTArtisan autofocus 56mm f1.8 lens. This lens is a compact, lightweight prime lens. It's built for the APS-C mirrorless camera, but it works perfectly with my Nikon full-frame Z8. It features a bright f1.8 maximum aperture for amazing low light performance, and it creates a creamy background blur, and it stops down to f16 when you need more depth of field. I actually love how the bokeh looks and makes the photo look a little bit more vintage. The build itself feels solid with an all-metal barrel and mount, and only weighs half a pound. This lens has a 52mm filter thread. The TTArtisan 56mm f1.8 is super affordable, and it's perfect for portraits and headshots. It's equivalent to an 85mm for a full-frame camera. The 10-element glass helps reduce chromatic aberration and maintain sharp, contrasty image. The lens focuses as close as 1.6 feet. The autofocus is very quiet and fast, which is amazing for my video work. I used this lens in a very dark wedding reception area, but was able to get great and bright images, so I didn't have to bump up my ISO too high. The stabilization was very steady, and the autofocus was very impressive. Available in Sony, Fujifilm, and Nikon Z mount. And its classic portrait length and smooth bokeh makes it perfect for street, lifestyle, and everyday shooting without breaking your bank and keeping your camera look classy and vintage. I got the link below.